Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the OpenVX 1.3 Open Standard for Computer Vision Software Acceleration talk at Embedded Vision Summit 2021. I'm Kiriti, and I'm currently the OpenVX chair. And the agenda for today's talk will give you a brief introduction to OpenVX. We'll talk about OpenVX 1.3, the conformant implementations for OpenVX, sample applications from different vendors, and we'll look at what kind of open source tools are available for developers. And then we'll look at the updates and new features for OpenVX for Raspberry Pi. And we'll talk about future work in terms of camera extension. And then we'll summarize the talk, and then we'll open up for live questions. And for those of you who are not familiar with OpenVX, OpenVX is an open, royalty-free API standard for cross-platform acceleration of computer vision applications. And OpenVX is from the Khronos group. For those of you who are also not familiar with Khronos, there's a talk by Neil Trevitt, and it's available on demand in this conference, and I highly urge everybody to take a look at it. OpenVX it provides high-level graph-based abstraction for portable, efficient vision processing. So OpenVX drivers are created, optimized, and shipped by process vendors, and the implementation is available for almost any hardware or processors with the performance portability. So the OpenVX graph can contain both vision and neural net nodes for global optimization, and the runtime graph execution requires little to no host CPU interaction. And we'll look at all these in the coming slides.